Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo Cooking's Lemon Impossible Pie. This pie will separate into several layers, giving you a crust without ever having to roll out pastry. It's super fast, super easy, and super economical. I've just preheated the oven to 180 degrees. I've got a 9-inch or 23 centimeter pie plate, which has been lightly greased and dusted with flour. And now everything just goes in. We've zested our lemon, taken all of the zest off our lemon, just pop that in there with our butter, which has just been melted. It's a little bit cooler than room temperature at this stage. Now I want this lemon zest to actually flavour the butter, and that will carry the flavour of the lemon. So I'm just going to whip that up and make sure it's all incorporated. The oil in the butter is actually going to mix with the oil in the lemon zest, and that will carry it further through. We've got the whole lemon, that's the zest has been taken off that. This is out of our garden. Let's get all the seeds out of that. I've got no problem if any of the pulp falls in there, but obviously we do not want any seeds in there, so that's going in now. Right, everything else, in she goes. We want some sugar in there. We want some vanilla extract in there, and I'm going to scrape that out because it tends to be a little bit grippy to the bowl. We want our eggs in there now. 4 free-range organic eggs. We've got our coconut, just desiccated coconut. We've got our flour that's going to separate and make into our crust. Don't need to sift that, no point. And we've got our milk. So I'm just going to get this together to start with before I add the milk, because I don't want it to make that butter freeze up or get too solid. Now, this is smelling pretty special. In with our milk now and just mix it up. Now, what did that take? Seconds. Lots of lovely flavours there. Give it a good mix, make sure everything's happy. You're not going to have any lumps in the flour. Don't ask me why, but you're not. Okay, now we just pour that into our plate. Now I just got a baking tray there. I put a piece of paper on, a baking paper. I set that plate on top of there so that I can manoeuvre it around the oven in case I need to turn it around if it's browning a little bit more on one side or the other, or it facilitates easy access to the tray when I'm taking it in and out of the oven. So we just pour our ingredients in there, pretty full. Okay, into the oven we go. 45 minutes. And then we chill it. This is purely for decoration and totally optional. I'm just going to do a little sprinkle of some shaved organic natural coconut flakes around the outside edge. Now they'll get quite toasty in the oven and give their own special flavour and decoration. Doesn't have to be too pretty. Don't be making patterns or anything with that. I'm just going around the outside edge. And you only need, as you can see, a couple of pinches of them to get the desired effect. Okay, now they're going to sit on top. They're not going to sink, and give it a nice flavour and colour. You can serve it with some slices of lemon in the centre as an extra serving suggestion, but that's all you need to do. And that is going to be really pretty when it's cooked because they'll go nice and toasty. Okay, into the oven we go. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheeky Richo Cooking's Lemon Impossible Pie. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richo Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. Check out the size of that blueberry. It's massive. You can see the 3 distinct layers. You've got your coconut up on the top here with nice creamy custard, and of course you've got your separate base. It's magic. Thanks for watching. Have a little taste, shall we? Sort of cut the base. Creamy sweet, gorgeous lemon tang, and the coconut goes almost like a macaroon. Yummo. Thanks for watching.